Sabadi. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be making spring roll. I'll show you how to roll spring roll. So let's start with boiling cooking noodle. Alright, here we go. First you boil the water. You see the bubbling? And this kind of noodle, it only takes like 5 minutes to cook. 5 minutes to cook. You can find anywhere in the Asian store. So now I'm gonna drop the noodle in. It's about a handful of the noodle. So gotta keep stir. We cook this about 5 minutes. The noodle, 5 minutes. Okay, let it sit. Okay, now it's ready. So guys, we're gonna rinse it out with the cold water. Just like the pasta noodle, when you boil it and you pour it out and rinse it with the cold water. So, there we go. So, I'm rinsing with the cold water. See how the noodle is. Alright. Alright guys, let's get started. So I got noodle is cooking, done. I'm gonna be doing kind of healthy. I'm gonna use, I steam a little bit of salmon. See salmon? I'm gonna use, this is my new thing I'm trying out. So it will be salmon spring roll. So I have minced cilantro, lettuce, green lettuce, it can be green, red, cucumber, I slice it, and onion. So the wrap paper rice is, I like this brand. It is the elephant brand. They call like Mekong, which is like from my hometown. Mekong is the river. So that's what I'm going to be using. And here, the water I'm going to use, it's almost half of, I don't know how you call this guy. So something big enough that to dip the rice paper into it. So that's, it can be cold, it can be warm, it can be temperature water, either one. I like my warm, not too warm, but a little bit warm. So, okay. Alright, here's the paper. So I'm gonna dip it into the water, one side at a time. So, here I go. Don't dip it too long. So, here we go. That. So first, I'm going to be using lettuce, and noodle, onion, mince, cilantro. People like cilantro. I think we put like 2 stem or 3 stem, like that. Now, cucumber. Salmon will be right here. So now I'm gonna roll it. Roll it. Fold this back here. And fold this one. See it? So I fold the side to sides. So now keep going. Press it down a little bit, guys, so it can be tight. So see it? That's the salmon you want to see. There you go. You got the spring roll. Now, next one I'm gonna do the shrimp. It's gonna be the same thing, guys. Same thing. Okay. I dip that in there. So here goes my lettuce. Lettuce. Noodle. Okay. Onion. Cilantro. Guys, it depends how you like the mince, the herbs. So you can put as much as you want, but don't put way too much. You cannot. You're gonna break the rice paper. So here's the mince, and here goes cucumber. Cucumber. So I'm gonna lay the shrimp here, guys, like that. Always use 3 pieces. Right, now, ready? Roll. All right. Roll it, roll it. Fold the sides. Fold the sides. And keep rolling. Rolling. And rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling. There you go. Shrimp. So, we have shrimp spring roll. We have new thing that I do. It should be healthy because it's not fried. It's not deep fry or anything like that for the salmon or the shrimp. So I boil them for like five minutes for the salmon. So the shrimp is like couple minutes. That's all you need to do. Guys, you can get this, the cooked one, in the store. It's anywhere in the store. You can get that, you know. So I have to cook everything by myself. So, alright, I'm done. I'm gonna stop for now. Okay guys, here I goes. I'm gonna do the salmon first. Dip into my peanut sauce. Remember I show you how to make it? Peanut sauce. Mmm. So good, guys. You don't even feel the salmon's. You don't smell nothing. Normally the salmon will smell like very fishy, I don't like the salmon, but in this, I can eat it. I don't smell nothing. It's delicious. Let's have another bite. Mmm. Mmm. You guys can use meat if you want to. You can use pork if you want to. Shrimp. But the salmon is first time I'm trying it, and I try myself, do it myself. It turned out to be pretty darn good, guys. Try it. You have to try it. Okay. I'll see you on the next clip. Bye, everyone.